Replacing this old crusty thing. Okay, cool. We're replacing it. Cool. Let's drain it. Yep, let's drain. Drain away. Oh, so it's not draining. Alright, this is what you gotta do if it won't drain. This is just a little makeshift thing. I'm gonna take this off, stick it in there. Yep. Damn, that was a ton of sediment in there. It was giving me a hard time threading it in. This is too long. Get a little shorter nipple and then drain it that way. I couldn't use this. It's too long. The sediment wasn't getting through. So I'm just gonna have to sweep this up. But fortunately, this is all pitched that way. There's drains in the middle here, so. And it's not like this wasn't already flooded by the time I got here, so it's not a big deal. All right, we're all drained. The water heater ready. Got that out. Excuse me, geez Louise. I'm gonna reuse this TMP. Man, this is no good. I'm gonna put a new one on, and yeah. There you go, folks. I usually just bend these back because when you cut those, they're like razors. This is 60 psi. That's what I charged it to. Got the ball valve. There's the connector. I saw this on Instagram. I was like, man, why haven't I ever done that before? Coming off the main. Sometimes I'll put a T off of this, but I like this version way better. One of my buddies showed me this right here. I don't know why you don't think of little things like this. Just come off the ball valve instead of coming off of here. Because then you don't have to wrap this with a wet cloth, you know? So, let's start doing it like this. That's that.